Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this week has been crazy for me. I just got back from a 14-hour road trip. I don't know, I didn't record anything from that road trip, but I went to Atlanta, Georgia to buy another car. And well, long story short, I had one before. They're really hard to find. It's a 99 Infiniti Q45. And this one was like a hard to pass up car. It was black on black, so black exterior, black interior. It is in a rough shape, but I plan on restoring it. So if you guys want to see videos on that, leave a comment down below. I'm gonna be recording them anyways. There's a lot of things wrong with it, so I'm gonna do a lot of how-to videos on how to fix things on it. And I'm just out of breath. I'm dehydrated, I'm tired, I need to shower. But the reason why you guys clicked on this video is for this right here. I'm just as excited as you guys are. This is my ENGINEHAWK jacket that I ordered a long time ago. I won it in a Easter egg hunt for Grimy Bear's Easter egg hunt, and so this was a free jacket. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I just want to share my experience with you guys with how ENGINEHAWK works and how they present themselves and stuff like that with their products. This is the 50 cal jacket. So first off, I mean, it's not that secure. Like, I literally just peeled the tape off. I don't know if you guys care about that. And I didn't even need to touch that side. That side's already done. And just cutting it with your nails enough. And that's it. The tape is not that great, but if you guys look over here, this is the ENGINEHAWK experience that you pay for. So you get this nice jacket. There's my cat saying hi. And boom, you get greeted with this, I don't know, saying, I guess the ENGINEHAWK says, ENGINEHAWK was born to revolutionize the motorcycle industry and completely redefine what motorcycle apparel can be. Go away. Welcome to ENGINEHAWK. And this is the jacket. So they make this look so much easier. I've seen other people do this unboxing thing, and they make the tape seem easy to take off, but I think the tape on the outside of the box was easier. Alright. Oh. It's all wrapped up nice. Alright, and then you get this bag. That's pretty cool. It's like it's a backpack. I know the camera's not straight. This is my first time opening everything, and it's pretty interesting. So you get this ENGINEHAWK jacket or backpack. It says ENGINEHAWK on the other side. And what's inside is this back protector thing. So ENGINEHAWK's big thing is that their armor is very flexible, and it is. It feels really thick and quality. I would trust this with my life. And it seems longer than the regular back protectors, and you can't really see it in the camera, but the center, there's like 1.5 inches of thicker stuff, and I'm guessing that's where ENGINEHAWK plans that your spine is going to be. You can see it up here actually. You see the rest is kind of thin, and then right here in the center is thick. So I guess ENGINEHAWK really looked into it. It seems worth it. I mean, this is a $400 jacket. And then this is the jacket. Boom. Diamond stitching. Diamond stitching on the lower back. Nice and folded. This feels great. Like, wow. It feels like a Dainese jacket. It feels like real leather and all that stuff. Easy zippers. I did this with one hand right now. You just saw that. The buttons are really strong. Again, the zipper is easy. There's 2 pockets right here. There's another pocket. All right, let's put it on. I got the large. I'm not the biggest guy. Oh, and by the way, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a chain, and that's like to hold up your jacket and stuff. And even when what it's attached to is leather. But little leather tabs and stuff. And what is this? Alright, so we open up the jacket. Oh, and by the way, the jacket has two zippers. So you got the one at the top, it's right here. You also have this one. So if you guys have anything you guys need to take out or whatever, you can do it either way. Honestly, I don't know how to open this. Let's see. I've never had a jacket like this. I've never had a jacket like this before. So I don't know how to do this. You guys can go ahead and call me dumb in the comments if you guys want. I have no idea how to work this. Okay, so I was just dumb. Okay, anyways. So, this is the inside of the jacket. And this little keychain thing, that's pretty cool. It comes with the keychain. It has a user manual. I've never seen that before. And it's really thick. I don't know. Okay, so it's in a bunch of different languages. And it's pretty much care instructions and different warnings and stuff like that. ENGINEHAWK does originate from the UK. And there is the size large and the 50 cal. I'm not going to take any of this stuff off yet because I don't know if this fits me. And it does have the loops for like the pants, riding pants. It has an extra pocket right here. There's Velcro right here. But this is all a pocket right here. I don't know what this loop is for, but it might be useful to you guys. And this is another pocket. There's nothing else in there. There's another loop on this side. And also the same back protector. The material, the same thing as in the shoulders and the elbows. I'm not going to take everything out because I don't want to put it back together. But it's there. It also has a little pocket right here so you can put your phone or your wallet, whatever you need to do, put it in there. There is not one on this side. Alright, time to put it on. Let's see what it's like. Alright, so like I said, I'm not the biggest guy, but I got a large because I know in the winter I'm gonna be putting some layers on. Okay, so initial fit. Okay, I don't know if it bugs you guys, but I like the zipper on the right side. I don't know if it's a European thing. I heard female clothing has the zipper on the left side. I don't know if that's true or not, but the zipper is on the left side. And right away, I already feel like it's actually tight. Obviously leather breaks up or breaks in over time. It smells good. It smells like leather. But initial reaction, it's loose around here and it's tighter on the arms and it's tighter in the shoulders. Like I said, I'm not that big of a guy and I got a large. So I think it runs a little smaller than you're actually supposed to be sized because I'm usually not a large. So if you're a bigger guy, go with the extra large, extra large. It is a bit small, and I'm not used to jackets like this for sure, but this neck piece right here, I need to break it in somehow because this is really stiff. And especially on the S1000, I feel like, no. It's only when you're looking down you can feel it because it's just right there. It's so solid. But looking up and stuff, because I don't know. It definitely needs to be broken in. But other than that, it feels quality. Like it feels like really thick leather. I would definitely trust this in a fall. Like even if I had no protectors on, this jacket alone, the leather feels really thick. I don't know how I look in it yet, but This is the 50 cal. I need to put the back protector in. I really need to take it out for a ride, honestly. But as far as fit and finish, upper half feels tight, the lower half feels loose. And I would take this to like a get together, like on a date, to the movies, to the restaurant, anything. This jacket looks like quality. It definitely looks like you pay a lot of money for this. It looks like a normal jacket that you could take anywhere. And that's what ENGINEHAWK's main purpose was, is they want to make apparel for motorcyclists, for stuff that they can take to like restaurants or stores or meetups and stuff like that. And I think they really did it with this jacket. I think they did it with all their jackets. I haven't even seen them all, but just based off of this one, and this is their best seller. As far as the double zipper thing goes, that's gonna be a con for me. And I've been talking this whole time trying to put the zipper up. There you go. All right, the double zipper is a con. The zipper on the left side is a con for me. This neck piece is really tight. I get it, it's leather, it needs to break in, and it's tighter on the upper half body. The tightness, I can say this jacket's not gonna be a for sure winter jacket alone. It's gonna be like the entrance to the winter. I feel like it's not gonna keep warm too much, because it does get cold here. It gets down to like 30, 20 degrees over here. The arms I know are gonna loosen up. Everything else is gonna loosen up. The neck pieces is my main concern as far as fit and finish go, because I don't like being choked and I don't like feeling like there's something on my neck. Other than that, the quality of it, the other zippers feel great. I love how flexible the protectors are. You don't even feel them. Honestly, it just feels like a tight leather jacket. So I would 7 out of 10 recommend this jacket. But like I said, things do need to go into a break-in period. And this zipper always gets stuck. There you go. All right. Oh, another thing. This is a thing for ENGINEHAWK. They've been putting this accordion, I don't even know what to call it. This accordion part. So that way it's easier to stretch and move your arms around. I did feel that when I had it on. But like I said, it was like mainly in this front armpit area is where it gets tight. And the sleeves themselves, like it felt like you're wearing a tight jacket. But yet you're still flexible. The armor makes it flexible. And it's just all around a good design. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. It is a great jacket. I cannot wait to ride with it, to see what the actual experience is like with it. But as far as quality and fit go, quality is amazing. Fit, it's a leather jacket, so it needs to be broken in. I'm excited. I was really excited. Like, I'm staying up after a 14-hour road trip to unbox it. And the expectations are met. I'm really thankful to Grommy Bear for giving me this opportunity to get this jacket, and I'm really excited to take it out on the road. And once I take it on the road, I'll give it an on-road review or a first-time review. If you guys want to see that, leave a comment down below. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go shower and go to sleep. I got work tomorrow. Ride safe, guys. As always, keep it cruising. See you guys next time.
And there she goes, heart that pounds like a stereo.